Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we are going to create our first Flutter project and we are going to see the use of the various important files and what are the purposes and where to use them. Okay. Now in our previous video I have told you that when you will first open your Android Studio, then over here you will find this tab plugins on the left hand side. So I just wanted to show you that how you can install your Flutter plugin. Okay, so if you click on this plugins window, all you have to do is type Flutter. Okay, and here it will show you that respective plugin. So it has already been installed in my PC, so that's why it is showing me installed. So all you have to do is just install it, and after that again restart your Android Studio. Now over here when I'll go to projects, now here after restarting your Android Studio you can see the option of create a new Flutter project. So let's click on creating a new Flutter project. Okay, here automatically it will write down your Flutter SDK path because we have already set it in our path variable. Next, give your Flutter project some name. So let us name as Flutter demo. Okay, and just click on finish. So as you can see over here, our Flutter project has been completely configured and now it is ready to use. So first of all, inside this project structure, click on your Flutter demo. Okay, now over here first we will explore this pubspec.yaml file. Now this file is very important for our Flutter applications because if you want to use any external package or dependency, then you have to import it from here, okay, by writing that particular package name under the dependency section. Now while you open this file, here some things are already pre-filled like the name, description, published to, the version number, your current environment of SDK. Okay, now over here if you want to import some package, okay, you have to write its particular name and version over here. Okay, and after writing in, all you have to do is click on that particular name and just click on this pub get button. Okay, so it will import that particular dependency or package for our Flutter application. Now below this dependency we are having developers dependency. Okay, now after Flutter 2.0 release, now the Flutter team now also provides us the Flutter Lint package by default as well. So this package contains a set of recommended lints to encourage good coding practices. Okay, it will give you the suggestions like if there is some widget which needs to be constant or there is no use of new keyword and inappropriated use of some other reserved keywords as well. So it will give you a relevant prompts at that time as well. Okay, so the lint set provided by the package is activated in the analysis option.yaml file which is located at the root of our package. Okay, so you can see that here it is our analysis options.yaml file. Okay, so if you want to deactivate the specific lint rules and activating additional ones, so you can recommend this file, but I will recommend you that do not disable this lint rules as well because it will help you for good coding practices. Now below this we are having this line of uses material design to true. So this following line ensures that the material icons font is included within your application so that you can use the icons in the material icon class. Okay, now below this here we are having an assets dependency. Okay, so if you want to add some assets inside your application such as some images or videos that you want to store statically inside your application, so you just create some folder. Okay, copy paste your images and videos over there, and at that time you have to uncomment this section of code and write down the names of that particular files that you want to add inside your application. Okay, and then afterwards you have to click on pub get again. Don't worry, I will show you how to use assets images and network images in Flutter application as well. So So at that time we are going to again recounter this same page for uncommenting our assets. Okay. So that's all for our pubspec.yaml file. Now after the pubspec.yaml file, here you can see we are having a lib folder. Now in this lib folder we are having a file named main.dart file. Now just like any other programming languages, main.dart file is a execution, or you can say the main entry point of our Flutter application. Now over here you can see there is a method named void main, which is the entry point of our Flutter application's execution. Okay, and here it has written the line run app, and here we have passed our class my app. Okay, so when the first our main method will be get executed, it will call our my app class. Okay, now this class is extending a stateless widget. Now first let me tell you what is the difference between a stateless and a stateful widget. Okay, so a widget is either a stateful or stateless. So if a widget can change when a user interacts with it, for example, if you click on a checkbox, then that particular widget is stateful. A stateless widget will never change, like icon button, or text that you have pre-written on the screens. Okay, so these are the example of stateless widgets. So whenever if you are having some stateful widgets on your screen, then at that time you have to extend your class with stateful widgets. Okay. Now we will get into the detail of this widget build and stateful widgets and this material app and so on in our next video. Okay, so after this main.dart file, here you can see that there are two folders. One is for Android and second is for iOS, each containing their respective files and folders that you need to modify only when you are importing some external dependencies and packages, and at that time you need to make some changes in some files that are required. Okay, now let us explore some of this toolbar contents. So here you can see this section will show you the Flutter device selection. Right now I have connected my physical device, so that way it is showing me its name as well. Okay, and it is also showing me the rest of the available device. Okay, so you can run your Flutter on Chrome and Edge as well. Okay, this will show you the current file that you want to run. This is your run button. Okay, this is your debug button. This is your Flutter outline file. So currently it is having nothing to show because I have not run my file. Okay, I have not run my project yet. This is Flutter inspector. Okay, Flutter outline will help you a lot. Okay, if you don't want to write code and if you just simply want to add some widgets, you can take help of this, and it will also show you the complete widget tree as well. And from here you can check your Flutter performance as well. Okay, this tab is very much useful while you are adding some animations, okay, in your application. So this will help you to monitor whether your app performance is decreasing, okay, what are the speed issues or performance issues it is having with animations and etc. So that's all with Flutter performance. Now over here you can see this terminal tab as well. So if you don't want to run your Flutter projects from here, so you can simply write Flutter run from here, and it will help you to run your Flutter application from command line as well. Okay, it also provides you the hot reload and hot restart option as well. So we will explore this thing in our next video. In our next video we will also learn that what is material app and what are its attributes and how it is useful. So see you in the next video.